Hello everyone, welcome to Math VBN channel. Common sense and tricky riddles are asked, and check your mental level by answering the riddles. And so let's start the video. Riddle number 1. What can you catch but cannot throw? You have 10 to 12 seconds to answer this riddle. And the answer is a cold. Riddle number 2. What goes up when rain comes down? And the answer is umbrella. Riddle number 3. What can fill an entire room without taking any space? And the answer is light. Riddle number 4. Poor people have it, rich people need it. If you eat it, you die. And the answer is nothing. Riddle number 5. You go at red, but stop at green. What am I? And the answer is watermelon. Riddle number 6. What has 6 faces, 21 eyes, but still cannot see? And the answer is dice. So, how many answers you respond correctly? Comment under the video, and thanks for watching this video. If you are not subscribed to Math VBN channel, please subscribe Math VBN channel, and moreover you can watch mathematics and statistics videos, tips, tricks here at Math VBN channel. Thank you for watching once again. See you in the next video.